Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. In the last few videos, we have been working out the book back exercise of lesson Atoms and Molecules. I hope learning through this platform is very wonderful and also interesting. And I just want to make all the calculations and the book back answers so simple so that you will not be stressed when you learn the chemistry parts. So my objective, the learning of the chemistry should be very easy, as well as it should be in a phase that you should learn clearly, and so that you can apply the concepts in your future when you study 11th and 12th standard. So that is what the objective of our YouTube channel. Now let us solve this third sum, which is given in the solve the following problems. Now, the problem is calculate the percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 thrice. So, what is this Al2SO4 thrice? It is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. So, whenever you get the brackets like this is we call polyatomic ion, right? So in this, if you come across like this, what you need to do is the 3 is common to sulfur as well as this oxygen. So first of all, before you do this calculations, right, so what we need to do, we have to find out the exact numbers of elements present in this formula. So Al2, so we have 2 aluminium. Now inside the bracket we have 1 sulfur, so 1 into 3, sulfur 3 we have, and then oxygen 4 into 3, 12. So there are 12 oxygen. So this is how we can say it is a molecular formula. Molecular formula we can write, because it says how many number of atoms present in it and what are the atoms present in it. Now we should know the percentage of oxygen alone, that is what the question. But anyway, we have to calculate the gram molecular mass we want to calculate. Molecular mass of Al2SO4 thrice. Okay, for that what you need is, you need the atomic mass. So we have already provided with atomic mass. So how many number of aluminium we have in the formula? 2. So aluminium we have a 2. 2 into atomic mass is 27. So the answer is 54. The next is sulfur. We have a 3 sulfur here. So 3 into atomic mass is 32. So 32. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3, 9. And then oxygen. Oxygen we have a 12. So 12 into oxygen is 16. So 16. So we need to calculate this. So we can easily calculate, but anyway, 16 into 12, right? So 2, 6 are 12, balance 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3, right? So 16. So the answer is 9, 1. So 192 is the answer. What is the answer, my dear children? 192. Now add all these things. 4 plus 6, 10, plus 2, 12, balance 1, 10, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, balance 2, 3. So the molecular mass of Al2SO4 thrice is equal to 342U. Here I have mentioned gram molecular mass, so I have given the unit called G, whereas here I just simply mentioned molecular mass, so the answer is AMU or U. It's called unified atomic mass. Now we have calculated the molecular mass. Now we can directly substitute these values in the formula. So what is the formula to calculate the mass percentage? Dear viewers, you could see here only oxygen percentages has, so we need to consider the other elements. So only we need to consider the oxygen mass. So what is the oxygen mass is given? 192. So that is one we have to look at it. Now let us see the formula first. Formula is, what is the formula? Mass percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 thrice is equal to mass of oxygen in Al2SO4 thrice aluminum sulfate divided by molecular mass of aluminum sulfate. Now what is the mass we have calculated, my dear children? For oxygen is 192. You could refer here. So into 100. So we have to calculate the percentage. So you write into 100, right, my dear children? Next is substitute the values. Mass of oxygen is 192 U divided by total mass. Molecular masses we have calculated 342 U. So 342 U into 100. So U get cancels. Now first of all, you divide this by 2. This is 1 time, so this is 7 time, 1 time, and then this is 9 times, 18, balance 1, 6 times, right? So again, if you divide 96, so in 3 table, so 15 is 5 times, balance 2, 21, it is 7 times. Here 9 is 3 times and 6 is 2 times, right? So the answer we have got is 32 divided by 57 into 100. Am I right? So further division may not be possible. So 32 into 100, 3200 divided by 57. So this we want to solve. So we will solve. Okay, in 320, how many 57s are there? Okay, approximately we will see there are 5 times, because 60, if you take 6 into 6 into 6 36, but 6 into 5 30, maybe it is 4 times. We will see. Okay, what is first one? We will see 57 into 5, 7 5s are 35, balance 3, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3, 28, right? So 35, 5 balance 3, 5 5s are 25, so 225. So one more 57, if you add it, 12 balance 1, 9, 14, 3. So this exceeds, so it is answer is 5 times. So we will see 5 times 2, 85 divided by, so the answer is, if you borrow 1 here, 5, 1 here, if you borrow 1 here, 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. Right? 3 the answer, 35. In 35 we don't have any 57. So it is 350. In 350 just now we have calculated 6 times. Right? So it is 6 times. The answer is 342. The balance is 8. Again, if you add dot and then 0, in 1 time we have, so 1 time is 57, the balance is 3, here is 7, so 23. So 23, again if you add 0, maybe it is 4 times. We will see 4 7s are 28, balance 2, 5 4s are 20, 22. Yes, it is 4 times, right? It is 228. 228 means it is exactly 2. So we need to add 0. One more 0 if you add here, also we need to add one more 0. So let me stop here. The percentage of oxygen in the aluminum sulfate is 56.14%. So therefore mass percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 thrice is equal to 56.14%. Right? My dear children, I hope this video will be very helpful in learning and solving this problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Like, share to your friends. Let them learn. Comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.